Welcome to Doing Stuff Outdoors. And what are we doing today? Well, last night we had some storms roll through and we got a little storm damage that involves trees. So I thought I'd take you around and show you what we got. So stick around. So as far as the trees here in the yard, got 4 trees that were damaged. Now, this first one that I'm coming up to, I was going to cut anyway. You can see it was kind of hollow at the bottom. It was time. Good thing it didn't land on the electrical transformer. But she's been damaged for a long time. I've just kept putting it off. Pretty good sized tree. There's the top out of it. And then here's one. Top got broken out of it. So it's got to come down now. That tree there really wasn't in that bad a shape. Okay, I just now discovered this one. That was a nice tree. So I would say that limb there came out of that tree there. So where's the top to this one? I'm sure I'll figure it all out. So there's one. So there's 1, 2, 3 trees damaged. That was a fairly nice oak tree, but you know what? You can't even tell. They look great, but when a storm comes through, Mother Nature sure does clean stuff up. So this is the top out of that big one, and then there, right there, is the top out of this one. Wow. Like I got some widow makers up there too. Some more limbs down. It's always amazing the one. Well, at least the storm took out one tree that I was going to cut down, but I didn't want to do anything to that other one. It leaves the ones that you don't want. Lots of small limbs all over the place. Then I got one over here. The very top blew out of this one. Right there. What's sad is I just took out a bunch of dead ash trees from all over here. Wow. Even blew the rain gauge over. Skyline's sure going to be different when I'm done. Then the storm rearranged our patio furniture. And if you look at all these treetops down there, they were all taken out by a wind going this way. From my right to the left, because they're all laying tops to the west, or sorry, tops to the east this way. So they're all laying with tops to the east this way. This is the east side of our house. Every piece of furniture has been pushed up against the east side of the house. So was that wind swirling? I don't see enough. I don't see any damage to the house anywhere, which is good, thank goodness. But wow. Have to get all that rearranged, put back up. Well, rearrange that. That was leaning up against the barn. But here's what's even more amazing. How sticks of firewood got blown off the wood racks. I don't know. So it looks like we got a lot of work to do here over the next couple weeks. Not going to be able to get to it this weekend. Got some other plans. But if you made it this far, we really appreciate you watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel so you'll know what we're doing outdoors, sometimes indoors. Share it with your friends. And have a super fantastic day.